Simple tips to prevent and relieve cold and cough and provide comfort to your baby. As a parent, you always want to see your child to be happy and healthy. Therefore, you will try to do anything in order to give relief to your children when they show signs of having cold or flu. Hello mommies and daddies, welcome back to my channel Mom and Baby. If you are new here, you are most welcome. Please consider subscribing my channel and joining our beautiful family, which is Mom and Baby. It's very normal for a child to have 8 or more colds in a year. Babies get so many colds because their immune system is not yet ready to fight against those hundreds of viruses that cause these infections. As the children grow, they gradually build up the immune system and get fewer colds. Most colds get better in 5 to 7 days but can take up to 2 weeks in small children. Babies start to show signs of a cold in about 1 to 3 days after they have been infected. The symptoms in young children can include stuffy nose, runny nose, sneezing, cough, fussiness, reduced appetite, tiredness, trouble sleeping, fever, vomiting, and diarrhea. The home remedies works very well if you introduce at an early stage of infection. So if the condition worsens, then you need to seek for medical advice. Because of the current situation of COVID-19, it's more important than ever before to look after yourself, your loved ones, including your young children, and get prevented from cough and cold. Most of the children's cough and cold medicines are not recommended for children under 6 years of age. However, there are some home remedies and so many ways that you can quickly and effectively treat cough and cold not only in adults but also in children. In this video, I am going to share with you some home remedies which are safe, does not cost a lot, and can help your child feel better, and they are also found in almost every home. Remedies number 1. Breastfeed. There is no remedy or cure that is greater than the only natural superfood for a newborn or the baby who is until 6 months of age, which is breast milk. It works as a remedy for any infections in babies who are 6 months of age or even older. Regular feeds also help calm a cranky baby and gains comfort only from his mother's touch. Therefore, breastfeeding is highly recommended for infants with common colds. If it is difficult for your baby to feed at the breast, you can even express the breast milk into a cup or bottle and give it to your baby. Remedies number 2. Massage. Massage has so many benefits in babies and kids. Try to give massage to your baby every single day. I have already done the video on how to give massage and the benefits of the massage. So if you are interested, I will leave that into the description box below, so don't forget to check that one out. If you don't give massage to your baby every day, then try to give massage to your baby when your baby is having cold. Try to massage with warm oil. You can even drop the oil on your hand and try to massage with warm oil, focusing on the areas such as your baby's chest, back, palms, feet and nails. After doing massage, try to put socks in your baby and put your baby to rest. Therefore, it is always better to give massage to your baby before your baby goes to sleep in the night time. Make sure that your baby is not exposed to air, or please do not turn on AC for at least of an hour whenever you give massage to your baby. Remedies number 3. Liquid. It's very important that your baby is hydrated. Therefore, try to offer lots of warm water, breast milk or other fluids. When your baby has cough and cold, your baby will not comfortable eating solid food. Liquids will help provide his or her body with necessary nutrients and will also help boost your baby's immune system. Also, when there is enough water in the body, the mucus the body makes become thinner, making it easier to cough and blow the nose. This remedy leads to my another remedy, which is honey. We all know the health benefit of honey, as honey is an excellent remedy to fight off the germs that spread cold and cough. Squeeze some lemon juice into a glass of warm water and add some honey into it. This is a tasty remedy and kids love this homemade medicine. It also relieves both cough and cold and keep your little one hydrated. Vitamin C in lemon fights germs that spread colds. Please don't give honey to babies who are younger than 1 year of age. I have already done the video why you should not give honey to your baby who is 12 months or less. So if you are interested, please don't forget to check that one out. I will leave in the description box below. Another point, steam. This is a natural way to help babies become calm and relieve a blocked nose. Steam can be given to babies in so many ways. The easiest, quickest and the cheapest way to give steam to your baby is to run the hot shower or the tap in the bathroom and let the steam fill up the room. After turning off the tap, you can take your baby inside the bathroom, or you can even boil the water in the gas and then give the steam to your baby. Or you can even use the steam inhalation for older babies or the children. Therefore, consider investing in a steam inhalator. Whichever way you like, the main point here is to give steam to your baby. That helps to dilute all the mucus from the body and help your baby to get rid of the cough and cold. Remedies number 6. Chicken soup. If your baby has started solids, then you can give chicken soup to your child. Chicken soup may not be a cure-all, but it's a great choice when you are sick. Research suggests that chicken soup has anti-inflammatory properties when it is consumed warm. It also acts as a vaporizer, helping to loosen mucus in the nasal passages. The chicken soup contains a great nutritional value and helps keep you and your baby hydrated. It's a good choice no matter how you are feeling. Whenever you are making chicken soup, you can even add turmeric, garlic and ginger, which help to provide additional nutrients. According to some research, raw ginger helps soothe a cough or sore throat. Garlic might even help you avoid getting sick in the first place. And the turmeric will help in diluting the mucus and allow it to ooze out the easier. Remedies number 7. Saline drops or the nozzle drops. This is very good for babies who have blocked nose. You can even buy the nozzle drops over the counter. In case of an emergency, you could also make saline drops at home. In order to make the homemade nozzle drops, you will need to use a sterilized spoon. Mix half tablespoon of salt with 8 tablespoons of warm filtered water in a sterilized bowl. Once the solution is cooled, put 1 drop in each of your baby's nose and keep baby's head tilted as you drop the prescribed amount into his nostrils. This is done so that the saline does not ooze out. Try to use homemade saline drops in case of an emergency only, as it is prone to bacteria. So try to be very careful whenever you are giving homemade saline drops to your baby. Remedies number 8. Suction baby's nose. If your child is suffering from blocked nose or runny nose, try to suction your baby's nose if your child is 3 months to 1 year of age. Or if your child is a bit older, then you can ask your child to blow his or her nose. Because of the blocked nose, your child is having difficulty in breathing. So your child may feed very slowly or not feel like eating. Therefore, always try to suction your child's nose before every feeding, whether it is breast milk or the bottle feeding. Remedies number 9. Distress. Please don't try to add stress to your baby. I know, as a parent, you end up doing that. If your baby does not want to do something, it's best to try to do something else. The more stress the baby becomes, the more time your baby will take to recover. So it's best to give your little one some time to relax. And if you are stressed, your baby will find out that you are stressed and it may take even longer. Remedies number 10. Encourage your child and the whole family to wash their hands regularly to stop the cold spreading. Along with the points that I have mentioned earlier, you can even use the Olbas oil. Make sure that you can only give the Olbas oil to the babies who are 3 months and older. You can just put a couple of drops of Olbas oil in the tissue and put next to your baby's head, or even you can put underneath of the baby's pillow throughout the night, so that the smell of the Olbas oil will help to unblock your baby's nose, so that your baby can have a good night's sleep. I have already done the videos on how to use the Olbas oil. I will again leave that link in the description box below, so don't forget to check that one out. My golden tips for you all today is, no matter whatever you are doing with your baby, try to give your baby as much rest as possible. And if you are giving massage or steam to your baby, try to cover your baby so that your baby will feel the warmth, which will help to lose the mucus in the body. If you find this video useful, I will highly appreciate if you could like, share, subscribe and comment in our video. Please let me know how is your experience going on with the remedies that I have shared with you in this video in the comment section below, because I believe sharing is caring. Until we meet in our next video, take care and bye bye.